Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a serious upgrade in the action camera world, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Standard Combo. If you're into sports, travel, daily vlogging, or cinematic action shots, this camera is built to deliver professional results with zero hassle. At the heart of the Osmo Action 5 Pro is a powerful 1/1.3-inch sensor, which means better light capture, sharper detail, and cleaner footage, especially in low-light situations. Whether you're filming early morning rides, sunset hikes, or indoor workouts, this sensor makes a noticeable difference. Video performance is where this camera really shines. You get 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second, allowing you to capture buttery smooth slow-motion footage without losing clarity. Fast sports, water splashes, jumps, or quick camera movements all look incredibly fluid and cinematic. DJI's advanced stabilization system keeps footage steady even during intense motion. Running, cycling, skiing, or handheld vlogging, everything stays smooth and watchable. On top of that, subject tracking intelligently keeps you centered in the frame, which is perfect for solo creators who don't want to constantly adjust the camera. One of the most practical features is the dual OLED touchscreens. You get a bright, responsive front screen for vlogging and a rear screen for control and playback. Even in direct sunlight, visibility remains excellent. Durability is not an issue here. The Osmo Action 5 Pro is fully waterproof, making it ideal for surfing, swimming, range shooting, and extreme outdoor adventures, no extra housing required. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a reliable, high-performance action camera that balances image quality, stabilization, and usability perfectly. If you want a compact camera that handles sports, travel, and vlogging with ease, this one deserves a spot in your gear bag. If you're planning to upgrade your action camera, check the link below to grab the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech reviews. Let's keep creating.